Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I will explain how to get back to Twitter icon. So let's start the process. So as you see, the Twitter has changed their icon to this X. So now I will show you how can you get your old Twitter icon back. So for this, open your Play Store and search here for this app X Icon Changer. Tap on this one, and from here install this application. Like I already installed this one, so I don't need to reinstall. This after the installation, tap on the option Open. So this app is open. Maybe before opening the app, it will require few permission. If it will ask about the permission, then simply give all the permission. So after this, search for Twitter. So here is the Twitter. Now what you have to do, simply tap on this one, and one more thing. You need to download the Twitter icon from the Google. Means by using your mobile phone browser, you can simply download the Twitter icon. So after the downloading, tap on the option Photo and tap on the option Gallery. So as you see, I already download this Twitter icon, and so after the downloading, tap on the Twitter icon. So as you see now, the icon has been selected successfully. After setting up this, tap on the option Done. And from here you can also write the name by tapping on this one. After writing the name, tap on the option OK, which is the right top. So it requires a few permission like shortcut permission, tap on OK. From here, tap on the option Other Permission and allow this permission. Now go back and tap on the option OK. So as you see now, the name of the app and also the icon has been changed. Now close this one. So as you see, here is the Twitter app with new icon and with new name. So when you will tap on this one, your same Twitter will be open. So by this way, you can get back your Twitter icon. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.